Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can select seat in Emirates flight. So the first step, you need to select your ticket. Once you done that, you need to select upper desk or lower desk, it is up to you. So once you finalize, so here you can see all the seats. So let's suppose I want to take seat in lower desk. So here you can see, so I want this seat and this seat, and then you simply need to click on manage your booking. Okay, so here you need to complete your details, and let me show you how you can see your seat pattern. So let me open this website again, and I want to see a view from this seat, so you simply need to click on seat map, and it will show you the experience that you will get on this seat. So here you can see, but I want to see in lower deck. So this seat experience, click on 3D map. So this is my experience on that seat, and if you want you can turn off the lights, and this is the scene in the lights off. Let me show you in the business class. So I want to see this seat view, so click on 3D map. Okay, and now you can see the view from this seat. It's amazing. If you want to turn off the lights, you can do this to see the night view. So this is a complete process how you can select seat in Emirates flight. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.